A new curly girl has entered the villa.
It's naturally crystal. Oh, yeah. Shining bright, just watch me glow.
Hi, curl friends. Welcome to my curl cocktail series where I mix and match products to find the perfect combination. Mind you, I have 3C/4A hair. It's also thin and fine, and I'm really prone to breakage. I'm actually surprised how this combination came out. Today I'm testing out Camille Rose Guava Slip Collection, also including the Temp Timbre, which is the heat protectant, but it also doubles as a sealant because it has oil in it. And as you can see, we are not lacking from shine or hydration. So let's get into it.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
It's us starting off with dry hair. It's been a week since I did my hair, so that's just how it looks. And we're gonna spray some water on it. We're gonna detangle. I am trying a couple different detangling brushes to see which one I really like. This one was the Unbrush Mini. I like washing my hair in twists. Like, I do loose twists. They're going to unravel anyway, and it kind of keeps me from having to like constantly detangle my hair while going through the process. With the shampoo, I ended up washing my hair twice just so I can get like a good lather. But either way, my hair came out really moisturized, and I was happy about that. Look at it. Look at that shine. That's just from the wash, okay? That's just from the shampoo. I really like that the wide tooth comb was gliding through. So when it says detangle on everything, it meant that. I always add in the leave-in conditioner while I'm still in the shower, or my head's still in the sink. I just add it in while it's freshly wet. I don't even use a towel anymore. It's time to get into it. I'm going to go ahead straight for the whipped souffle. Whipped souffle. Okay, I know I'm talking to myself, but I'm actually on TikTok Live. So follow me on TikTok. You never know, you might tune in and catch me doing my hair on live, and you can ask me questions there. So first I detangle my hair with a detangling brush. Then I come behind it with the bounce brush. Now this brush is the Bounce Volume brush. This is the first time I'm using it. The first time I used a bounce curl brush, I ripped my hair out. So you need to make sure you are detangling first with another brush. Then you need to do it in smaller sections and go slowly. However, with these products, Guava Slip, I was not fearful of this brush snagging my hair. It was really slipping through. So come on, Camille Rose.
She's a Chi-Town queen with a twist in her hair. Curls like a crown, she's walking on air. 30s are magic, she got that glow. Every step she takes, the world says whoa. She's been through storms, she's danced through rain. Her beauty's in her power, her joy in her pain is naturally crystal, shining so bright through the highs and the lows. She owns her fight. She's more than the struggles, more than the tears. Is naturally crystal. She conquers her fears. Oh, she shares her journey, her PMDD ride. Not just a battle, it's the strength inside. From the mirror to the world, her truth's on display. Breaking every stigma, she's paving her way. She got a voice, she got a flame. Every curl, every scar tells her name. Is naturally crystal, shining so bright through the highs and the lows. She owns her fight. She's more than
This T3 dryer does a really good job of drying my hair fast without drying it out and taking the moisture. It just keeps it all in. But I also have to still stretch my hair at the roots and kind of do a scrunchy stretch as well while I do my makeup or get ready. Now I kind of do this shake thing where I'm kind of like roughing up the roots a little bit. I guess you can call it teasing, maybe. So I do this in combination with using hair picks. I'm actually going to show you two different hair picks. Of course, the OG one with the fist, and then there's like a new one from a Black-owned brand as well. If you want to be extra careful with your curls, make sure you put some oil on your fingertips while you are separating your curls and, you know, just getting your hair fluffed up.
Nonchalant, boy, with your shrug and your smirk. Acting like emotions are some kind of quirk. You ghost like Houdini, then hit me at 2. Hey, you up? Nah, I'm done with you. It's a heartbreak rodeo, I'm off this ride. Spinning in circles, but I'm done being blind. You say you're the prize, but I've cracked the code. You're just clowns in disguise at the heartbreak rodeo. Geek boy in the Benz, flashing that green. Your wallet's fat, but your soul's too lean. Grabbing my hand like I'm some kind of prize. News flash, buddy, I see through your lies. Love bomber text like fireworks at dawn. Said you stay forever, but you're already gone. Your words are sweet, but they rot like fruit. You're a magician of promises that don't compute. It's a heartbreak rodeo.
See the difference from picking out your hair to not? Okay, so just keep fluffing and picking and separating until it's to your desired look. I wanted to see if there was a difference between the two different picks. I don't know if I really see a difference, but let me know if you do in the comments. As the days go by, it kind of will look bigger and even a little bit thicker, just a little bit. But the first day, it's not going to look thicker, so you have to plan accordingly. You want to do your hair the day before or 2 days before the event. So these are the results. I hope this was helpful, but follow me for more curl combinations and comment any combinations you want me to try. You got it. You can do this. Get this line right, ho. Damn. Welcome to my curl. Ninja!